Okay, here's how we're going to make our desktop nameplate. I'm going to start off with a piece of paper. I'm going to fold it in half. We should be careful to be accurate. Fold it in half like so and crease it down. Open it up. And this bottom half we're going to fold in half again, which is quarters, up to the original crease line which we have here. Make sure we line it up good. Crease that again, then we're going to open it up like so. I'm going to take a pen, we're going to mark a section about a third of the way up here and about a third of the way up here, because we're going to line up our fold a little bit later at this point here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these corners and I'm going to fold them up to this crease line here. I'm going to take this corner here and fold it up, make sure it's nice and straight. I'm going to take this corner here, fold it up, make sure it's nice and straight. Then I'm going to fold this straight edge here up so that it comes to about here. When we fold it up, we're just going to use that line as a guide, because what I'm trying to do is make this distance here about the same as there. It's not halves, but we want it to look like it's halfway. So I'm going to fold that there, fold that down. Okay. Then I'm going to fold this part all up here using our original crease line. And we'll notice that we have pieces left over, and that's what we want. Then I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to use these lines here to fold them all over again. So I'm going to start off, fold that line there along that original crease. I'm going to fold this corner here up so that it's tight against that original fold that we did. Then I'm going to fold this little half here up. And again, this should come about halfway up between here and our original fold, which was about a quarter way up the page. I'm going to use this fold to once again fold it right over. And again, we have these pieces left over. One more time, I'm going to turn it around. This corner up here against that original fold. This corner here against that original fold. I haven't been too accurate. This should actually line up. If you do it right yourselves, that'll line up perfectly. And then again, this edge up against that original fold. And we're almost done. Now comes the tricky part. I'm going to turn it around here. You'll notice that this flap folds down over here, but what I want these to be folded on the outside. So I'm going to lift this up. I'm just going to reverse it around a little bit. I want this straight part here to be down, and I'm going to fold that back over there and fold it back. So here was the original fold with this flap down over the top. The new fold has this corner piece over the outside. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. And there is our desktop nameplate.